We conclude our journey in the ancient metropolis of Ephesus, one of the best preserved Greco-Roman cities. Walking down marble-paved Curate Street, we follow the footsteps of citizens of the ancient world. Every stone here tells a story, from the Temple of Hadrian to the Grand Trajan Fountain. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The Library of Celsus stands as a masterpiece of Roman architecture, once holding 12,000 scrolls. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. We finish at the Great Theater, where the echoes of ancient performances still seem to linger. These ancient streets remind us of the enduring legacy and timeless beauty of Turkey. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, so you can be notified when we upload additional content.